I knew I lost some. I'm not gonna lie, in my head, I thought it was gonna be like 3 pounds or something. You know what? It's all good in the hood, okay? Because that's way farther than a bitch has ever gotten. What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what up? My name is Lucy. Hey boos to all my current subscribers. Y'all, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, I didn't even know 100 people want to pay attention to me. Okay, like, I didn't even know. But that's what's up, okay? Because when I hit 100 subscribers, we gonna celebrate. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. How should I celebrate? I need to celebrate with y'all, okay? We gonna celebrate this journey. We gonna celebrate this YouTube journey. Know what I'm saying? Okay. If you're new and you don't know yet, my name is Lucy. I am on a weight loss journey, final weight loss journey at that, okay? Let me emphasize, hopefully it's the final one, but I am on a journey to get down to my ideal weight, which is 145. The more I was thinking about it, I was just like, hell, let's just round it up some and make it 140 so that I would lose exactly 50 pounds instead of 45. Because you know what? These just sound so much better. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. So let's shoot for 50 pounds. But if I make it to 145, which is 45 pounds, you know what? It's all good in the hood, okay? Because that's way farther than a bitch has ever gotten. But anyway, it is Thursday, February 11th. I was like, what's today? I don't even know anymore. Anyway, it's my day off, and y'all, I blame my fiance. Because every time I get back into bed after taking the kids to school, my big ass do not get back up. Do not. I was just laying there. I was awake the majority of the time. But of course, after a couple hours, I bitch got sleepy. Doze back off. But I'm awake now. I started my day a little late, but that's all right. I have not gotten my water in. I'm a terrible person. I'm a terrible person. Terrible. Have not drank a lick of water. It's 3:11 p.m. What the hell is wrong with me? Like, I need to get with it, okay? But I did grab my Atkins shake, so I've been drinking on that. I'm probably gonna pitch this because I accidentally left it in my car. And y'all, I live in Florida and it is 85 degrees outside. So I ran to a store, get some groceries, and I left this in the car. And it still feels cold, but guess what? I don't want this hot in my stomach. So I don't want my stomach hot, okay? Because I know that's exactly what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna have a churro leak. Y'all don't know what a churro leak is. I'm gonna need y'all to look up the Spanish Urban Dictionary, and it'll tell you what a churro leak is, okay? I ain't trying to have that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to get home. I've been craving that shredded beef. Maybe this time I will show y'all how I actually make it. I can't even remember where I found it on YouTube, but you know what? Now I'm gonna show y'all, and y'all can show other people. But man, I was craving it, so I'm like, forget it. Let me go ahead and buy the meat and make it again, because I can't get enough of that. And of course, it's so diverse. I can make tacos out of it. I can pour it over my brown rice. I can use it for any side, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna cook tonight. But before that, for my lunch, I'm gonna have one of my meal prepped. Take a look at my last video. For the next few days, I had prepped some baked chicken, roasted chicken in my Ninja Foodie, and some potatoes and green beans. So that's gonna be my lunch, and then this shredded beef is gonna be my din. But yeah, I hope y'all having a good day. Still got a lot of running around to do. It's so pretty outside. I'm so mad I laid in the bed for the majority of the day. Like, what was wrong with me? But whatever. I'm in a good mood. I hope all y'all in a good mood. And that's my update. And I will check y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I'm back home, put all the groceries away. So I told y'all I was going to show y'all how I make this. I got my Angus chuck pot roast. It's beef. It's about a little over 2 pounds. So I got that. All this I got from Walmart. These are my spices that I already had at home. We got ground cumin, onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika, and then I combined this sauce. It's just some beef broth and some tomato paste. Whisk that all around, so I have that setting aside. So there was measurements, but for me, you know what? I just slather it on however I want when it comes to the seasonings. So what I do first is I start out with a half a tablespoon of everything. Okay? Then I rub it on. If it don't look like enough and it's not thick enough for me, then I add another half a tablespoon of everything. Then I put the sucker in, I flip it over. Then I do the same thing. Half a tablespoon, see if I like it. If it's not enough for me, another half a tablespoon. And that's how I do my seasonings. Also, at the very end, I pour this all over it. This usually people pour like the last hour, I want to say, but I just put it in the beginning because I don't feel like fussing with it. The next time I come back to it, it's going to be to eat it, okay? At the very end, I just put my beef bouillon in there. I don't even know that's how you say it. Bouillon. Okay, it's beef seasoning. And I dropped this little cube in there as well. On top of that, it's in the fridge, but I also add 2 little capfuls of lime juice. And I pour that over it. Then I put it on. Right now, since I'm short on time, like always, everything in my life is short. I put it on high for 4 hours. If you have time, you want to put it on low. I don't even know what that is. Anyway, you put it on low for 8 hours. So here's my crock pot. I got my crock pot liner so that I could just toss it. No mess. Nothing to wash. Booyah. And then I will show y'all what it looks like. Okay, I also put in ground cayenne red pepper. I only put a little bit, but of course you can put it to whatever your preference to taste is. Alright, so here you have it. I put all my seasonings on. I sprinkled the lime juice on it, 2 capfuls. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, you know what? Let me just go ahead and drop my beef bouillon up in there. And then I'm just going to pour this all over. Yum, 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 yum. Y'all, why is my mouth watering? I think I'm breathing hard. It just looks so good. Not the gas. Mouth watering and shit. Okay, so after that, put the top on. You set it and forget it. Y'all remember that dude? You remember that infomercial? Man, they got a lot of money from that saying. Anyway, yep, so I'll check back with y'all when it's all done and let y'all know what it looks like. This is the finished product, y'all. I wish y'all could smell this through the screen. But it's fire. Make my little tacos. Make it do what it do. Call it a night. Oh yeah. I am so sorry about the sound. I don't know what happened, but today is a Friday weigh-in day, and as you can see, I'm super excited, and I know I'm gonna get some good results. 183.5. Don't judge my toes, okay? Look at the number. Stop looking at my toes, I said. Stop looking at my toes. You see that number, though? You see that number? It's a deduction of 1.4 pounds. What up, y'all? It is Saturday, February 13th, 8:45 a.m. And I am so excited about what the scale said. I knew I lost some I'm not gonna lie, in my head I thought it was gonna be like 3 pounds or something, but it's because I felt so much lighter this week. So that's why I just assumed a lot. But 1.5 pounds, I will take it. I knew it was gonna be lower than last week's 5-pound weight loss, just because the first week it does include water weight. I mean, I don't need a body composition scale to tell me that. But either way, I'm happy. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm going to continue on this journey. I'm going to continue to stay positive. Tomorrow is my cheat day. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I have it all planned out. I know what I'm going to eat. I think one of the things is going to be fast food, but the rest of the day, I know exactly what I'm going to eat. I have it all set in my fridge. So in the morning when I wake up, I'll be like, yeah, give me that. Yeah. Give me that. It's my cheat day. It's my cheat day. And what? I earned this. So yeah, I'm seriously in a good mood. I hope all y'all have a good day, and I will see you soon. Hopefully like another 5 pounds lighter. No, I'm just kidding. But I will be lighter.